Today, we learn the word apartment. It's a very common word if you talk about where people live, especially in cities. An apartment is a set of rooms for living, usually inside a bigger building. Many families or people live in apartments. Many learners confuse apartment with house. Remember, a house is separate and standalone, but an apartment is part of a bigger building. Common phrases include live in an apartment, rent an apartment, apartment building, or apartment complex. You can also say my apartment is on the 3rd floor. I live in a small apartment near the city center. We just rented a new apartment last month. Her apartment has 2 bedrooms and a big kitchen. He found an apartment with a beautiful view. Sarah moved to a new city and felt lonely until she made friends in her apartment building. Now, her apartment feels like home because of those neighbors. Think of the word apart and apartment, many separate parts or rooms together in one big building. This helps you remember it is a room set inside a building. Now you know what an apartment is. Try to use this word when you talk about your home. See you next time.